how to change email on Wix. So this is very simple. All we want to do is load up the Wix dashboard here, log in into our account, and then once we have been logged in, we'll click on our profile icon here in the top right. Then we will go to account settings. From the account settings page here, you will be able to see all of your personal information, such as your first and last name, your site URL prefix, account language, and you will also be able to see your account email. If we want to change the account email here, we will click on the pencil icon, and it is going to require our Wix account password, and we will need to enter the new email or the new account email twice here. So once, and then we have to confirm it. Then we'll click on next, and it's going to send a confirmation to our mailbox, and we'll need to open up the email to confirm that we do have access to the new email address input. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.